Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with the second part of the Kelvin cycle, and before this we have discussed about the fate of 2 moles of phosphoglyceraldehyde. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपने देखा था 2 moles of phosphoglyceraldehyde का fate, and now we are going to deal with the fate of the remaining 10 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde. ठीक है, नाउ सेक्शन बी आप देखने जा रहे हो. दिस इज व्हाट इज अबाउट द 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, how it is going to again transform into RUBP. Okay, so regeneration of ribulose 5-phosphate. It is also known as reductive pentose phosphate pathway. ठीक है, क्या नाम है इसका? रिडक्टिव पेंटोस फॉस्फेट पाथवे. मतलब बेसिकली यहाँ पे आप देखने जा रहे हो कि राइबुलोज 5 फॉस्फेट दोबारा जनरेट कैसे होता है, इसीलिए इसे रीजनरेशन भी कहा जाता है. Okay, this is the first reaction. 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, this is PgAl. 4 moles are going to transform into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. कि कितने? 4 moles. ठीक है. Now this dihydroxyacetone phosphate along with this 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde is going to transform into fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Then this fructose 1,6-diphosphate 2 moles along with the 2 moles of water is going to transform into fructose 6-phosphate. अब यहाँ से फर्स्ट पोजीशन से फॉस्फेट ग्रुप रिलीज होगा और साथ में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ में कंबाइन करके बनेगा फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. ठीक है, तो बन गया ये H3PO4 along with fructose 6-phosphate, क्योंकि फर्स्ट पोजीशन से फॉस्फेट डिसलोकेट करा दिया गया है. ठीक है, नाउ दिस फ्रक्टोज 6-phosphate along with this one 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde की 2 मोल्स के साथ में बनाएगा ज़ैलुलोज 5-phosphate प्लस एरिथ्रोज 4-phosphate की 2 मोल्स. देन this erythrose 4-phosphate along with this dihydroxyacetone phosphate कन्वर्ट होगा सीडोहेप्टुलोज 1,7-diphosphate में. I know these reactions are a bit difficult to learn, but you have to do it with a lot of practice. ठीक है, तो सीडोहेप्टुलोज 1,7-diphosphate कन्वर्ट होगा सीडोहेप्टुलोज 7-phosphate में by giving this phosphate which was there on the first location to the water molecule, then it is going to again convert into phosphoric acid. ठीक है, now this pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate plus 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde के 2 moles के साथ में बनाएगा ribulose 5-phosphate plus ज़ैलुलोज 5-phosphate. तो फिर ये राइबुलोज 5-phosphate यहाँ पे जो बना है वो कन्वर्ट होगा राइबुलोज 5-phosphate में 2 moles में. ठीक है, then this xylulose 5-phosphate is going to convert into ribulose 5-phosphate के 4 moles में. ठीक है, तो बेटा ये सेकंड पार्ट में आपने देखा कि हाउ कम यू गॉट राइबुलोज 5-phosphate अगेन फ्रॉम 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी इन द केल्विन साइकिल. सी ये 10 मोल्स से आपके regeneration of ribulose 5-phosphate by a series of complex reaction, and the series of complex reaction you have seen in the section B which I have shown you just now. ठीक है, तो राइबुलोज 5-phosphate में कन्वर्ट होने का प्रोसेस कहलाता है रीजनरेशन. ठीक, देन दिस राइबुलोज 5-phosphate is going to convert into ribulose 1,5-biphosphate जब इनको ATP डिसोसिएट होगा और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट रिलीज करेगा तो राइबुलोज 5-phosphate बनेगा 1,5-biphosphate. ठीक है, so this was all about the second part, and now move to the summary of the light reaction and the dark reaction. So this is the light reaction summary which was occurring in the thylakoid membrane. 24H2O was dissociating and it was producing 24 OH ions along with 24 hydrogen ions. And regarding this ADP along with 18 moles of inorganic phosphate, it was converting into 18 ATP and 12 NADP plus 24 hydrogen ions was converting into 12 NADPH2, and these two products are getting utilized over here. This one 18 ATP along with NADP2H, and whatever the carbon dioxide was taken from the atmosphere, it is getting fixed in the chemical reaction. Okay, so this 24OH here it is, along with this 24 electron, it is going to convert into 24OH, and this 24OH is going to produce 12 moles of water along with 6 moles of ऑक्सीजन. ये आपका फोटोसिंथेसिस का बाय प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है, जो कि प्रोड्यूस हुआ लाइट रिएक्शन में. नाउ डार्क रिएक्शन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड along with this 18 ATPs along with this 12 NADP2H is going to convert into glucose C6H12O6 and 6 moles of water plus 18 ADP plus 18 इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट. ठीक है, ये इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट ये आपका जो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है एडीपी में, ठीक है, और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट है, प्लस ये जो आपका NADP2H था, इट गॉट रिड्यूस इनटू 12 NADP पॉजिटिव. सो दिस वाज द रिएक्शन, ठीक है, and the combined reaction will be there, this one here, that is in the form of light and the dark reaction combination. Then the product which you are going to get is the glucose along with the water and oxygen. Glucose, that is for what you have gone through the procedure, and water and the oxygen molecules are the byproduct of the reaction. Okay, so this was all about the light and the dark reaction, and in the next video we will be doing the electron transport chain. Thank you.